Sow the seed of thought, reap in action. Sow the seed of action, reap in habit. Sow the seed of habit, reap in character. Sow the seed of character, reap in destiny. Dear friends, greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. I shared an amazing pair of words with you. If you understand, your destiny depends on your thought. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? That will make your future. If you are a positive thinker, if you have a big dream, if you want to achieve something, it's mean you are making your future. If you are thinking negatively, if you are thinking very low, if you don't have big dream, big wishes, it's mean you don't want to achieve something big in your future. You don't want to become a very successful person in your life, because your thought is very, very important. As I already told you, sow the seed of thought, reap in action. Whatever we are taking action, it's depend on our thought. What we thought, we take action. Sow the seed of action, reap in habit. Any action which we will do repeatedly, that will become our habits. How people are making their habits, how habits are developing permanently. Any action which we will be doing repeatedly again and again, so that will become our habit. Sow the seed of habit, reap in character. What is our character? Our habits shape our character. What are our habits? If I'm a very punctual person, I always reach on time. If I am making any commitment with any person that tomorrow I will reach in university at 10 o'clock and I am reaching there at 10 o'clock, or even I am reaching 5 minutes ago 10 o'clock, so and I am doing this thing repeatedly, so that person will become my advocate. Like he will tell to every person, he is Mr. Abid is very punctual person, he is a man of words, whatever he is saying he is doing. So therefore your character make your destiny. I want to give you very simple example. Actually, thoughts are a raw material of our success. If you want to purchase a shoes is a final product. What was the raw material? Leather was the raw material. Leather taken by factories, they cut it, they dye it, they shape it, then cobbler or in factories they sew it, and they finally gave you a final product in shape of shoes. So your thought is a raw material and your destiny is your achievement. Destiny is being got by your thought. Like thoughts are the seeds. So please very careful about your thoughts. What are you thinking and what you should think? There is very famous quotation, thoughts becomes things. And a lot of time in your life it happened that you were thinking about someone, some friend, to make them call, and suddenly you received their call or they came your home. And a lot of time it happens, like sometime we are thinking about something and that things happen, so we used to say that I should think good, or I should ask good wishes from Almighty. So that is the main thing. Always think positive. So once again I'm telling you, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends, and click on the bell icon. If you want to improve your spoken English, you should make your mind, your thought is very, very important. You should make your mind that I have make a commitment and I am doing practice and I am watching Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel videos, and I am listening and I am speaking, I am doing my practice, and within 15 days, 20 days, 30 days, 40 days, as per your own mental ability, you can make a commitment with yourself and do exercise on daily basis. Watch videos again and again and give answer, and then you will see that you will be improving a lot. So now we are going to do today exercise number 24. Before that we have completed our exercise 23 exercises, and today we are going to do spoken English practice number 24, and the topic for that exercise practice is gifts. Do you like gifts? What kind of gifts do you like to give? Please, if you are new on this channel, watch our previous video so you will understand how to do the practice, what are the method. Even then I am telling you, I will ask question from you and you will give the answers. Try to give answer in 2 lines, or if you can give answer in 4 or 5 lines, that is amazing. What kind of gifts do you like to give? What kind of gifts do you like to receive from others? Have you ever gifted to your friend? Next question. If you don't like a gift, what you do? Question number 5. What was your last gift? Question number 6. Is there a special gift you like to get? Question number 7. What kind of gifts do you like to get? Question number 8. How did you like your last gift? Question number 9. Did you ever get a gift you didn't like? Question number 10. What gift do you recommend someone give in your culture? 11. What was the best gift you ever received? Question number 12. Which gift you like a lot you received on your birthday? Friends, this was our exercise, and only if you're spending 10 to 15 minutes, I'm not telling you to spend more time, only 10 to 15 minutes, listen question, give answer. If you are unable to give answer in 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, just give answer in 1 line. And with the passage of time, like if you will doing practice 2-3 times, so you will able to give answer in 2-3 lines. So again and again in my videos I'm telling you, spoken English is very easy, and you can improve your English. You can speak English confidently and fluently. But the most important thing, once again I want to tell you, that is practice. So please listen carefully and give the answer. And thank you very much for your feedbacks. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends, help them. Always think positive, pray about others, always pray for your friends, for your relatives, for your neighbors. If you are praying for them, if you have a good thought about them, so you will see that your all wishes will be automatically fulfilling by the grace of Almighty Allah. So therefore, once again I congratulate you that you are watching videos with your complete consistency and with your full of interest, and you are doing practice and you are getting the results. Once again I want to tell you, please don't focus on accuracy. First you need to work on your fluency, and don't think about grammatical rules, just practice. Thank you very much. Goodbye.